Hello friends, Sushmita here and we are on while loop. So today we are going to talk about else statement with while. With the else statement we can run a block of code once when the condition is no longer is true. For example, print a message once the condition is false. I equals to 1, I is a loop control variable and it starts from 1. While I is less than 6, that means it runs up to 5 times. Print I will print I 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. I equals to I plus 1, increment is 1. Else, while I equals to 6, the else part will run and it print I is no longer less than 6. Let's try it in Python. Save the module and run the module. It prints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I is no longer less than 6 because it is equal to 6. So that's it for today. Hope you understand the code. If you have any question, please write in comment box and see you in next video.